Hey guys, here is my version of a Filipino Macapuno cassava cake recipe. Super easy and simple to make dessert idea for any occasion. Here are the ingredients. We will be making two separate mixtures. First the cassava mixture and second the Macapuno topping mixture. We will be needing 4 eggs, 2 for the cassava mixture and 2 for the Macapuno topping mixture. Then we will be needing 2 large cans of coconut milk and another large can of evaporated milk. And for the sweetness, sweetened condensed milk and some Macapuno strings in syrup. For the container, we will be using 10 little aluminum containers with some butter to freeze them to avoid sticking. And not to forget, we will be needing our grated cassava. Before we proceed with mixing our ingredients, be sure to preheat your oven to 175 degrees Celsius. The cassava mixture. To prepare the cassava mixture, add your coconut milk to your grated cassava. Be sure to shake your coconut milk cans first before pouring it into the mixture. Then add 1/4 of the evaporated milk and pour your condensed milk. After that, you add your eggs. And if you want to add some vanilla extract, this would be the right time. In my case, I forgot mine. I was distracted by mixing. I find mixing quite therapeutic, don't you agree? Okay, now we're done with that. Now we have to add 1/3 of our macapuno to our cassava mixture. Now don't forget to grease your containers with butter and divide your mixture equally among all the containers. Baking time. Now in your preheated oven, place all your containers containing the cassava mixture and wait for 45 to 50 minutes. The macapuno mixture. It is quite easy. All you have to do is mix your eggs, your evaporated milk, and your macapuno. Keep mixing until thoroughly combined and set aside. Now to our pre-baked cassava mixture, add our macapuno mixture and continue baking it for 30 minutes. And we're done. There you have my Filipino Macapuno cassava cake. If you want the full recipe, it will be in the description below. And if you like this video, feel free to give a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button